Python, Lesson 6. Hi everybody! In Lesson 6, we will make a general overview on all the skills acquired in Python in order to make sure that you master all the skills learned in Lesson 1 to 5. As a reminder, Python is a program language used to build applications. In order to start using Python, you should install the IDE program and a Python editor. To install the Python IDE program, visit the official website www.python.org/downloads. To download the MU Python editor, visit the following link, codewith.mu/en/download. Of course, you have to choose the correct version of the installer file that is adequate to your operating system. In this review lesson, we will start by a quick review on how to create a dialogue between the user and the computer. The two commands used in a dialogue for input and output are the commands print and input. The command print followed by a sentence between quotation marks will display the sentence on the computer screen. Look here how the command print, "This is my first program in Python," will display on the computer screen the message. The command input followed by a sentence between quotation marks will ask the user to input an answer to the question asked by the computer. Look here how the command input, "Type your name," will display on the computer screen the message in the form of a question waiting for the user to input his answer. Note that it is always needed to precede each input command by a variable that will save the information typed by the user. Look at the following example. Name equals input, type your name. Address equals input, type your address. To launch the program, click on the Run button, save the program, and then see how the computer is waiting for the answer to be typed by the user. Once the name is typed, press Enter to pass to the second question. Note that if the variable is created to save a numerical value like grades, prices, quantity, etc., precede the input command by the integer property like you see on the screen. For example, grade 1 equals int, parentheses, input, parentheses, type your first grade, parentheses, parentheses. In case the integer property is not added, an error message will be displayed the moment you proceed for a calculation operation. Now comes the time to review the if statement that evaluates a condition in order to execute the appropriate instruction. For that, we will proceed with an example. Let us build the program that asks the user to input the temperature of the day and then to display the message "too hot" if the temperature is greater than 30, and to display "cool weather" if the temperature is less than 30. We will start the program by writing the input command as shown on the screen. Temp equals int, parentheses, input, parentheses, type the temperature, close parentheses twice. If temp greater sign 30, print too hot. Else, print cool weather. Remember that if you want to build a condition in the if instruction using the equal sign, you should write the equal sign twice, as shown in the example. If temp equal sign 30, print the temperature is equal to 30. Else, print the temperature is not equal to 30. Now that we've finished reviewing the basic instructions in Python to build simple programs, it is time to move forward in the coming lessons with advanced programs. Before ending this lesson, I will ask you to create a Python program to input the width and height of a rectangle in order to calculate its perimeter. In case the perimeter is greater than 250, display the message, "It is a big rectangle." Else display, "It is a normal size of the rectangle." Thank you for watching this tutorial, and do not forget to follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram in order to access to additional educational resources.